Small update. Motor's fully wired. Power and ground wires. That's all the wiring tucked up. Starter wire over there. Prindle wire for the gauges. All the wires run over there, tuck into the fender. Main harness for the car. Ground's out there. Tranny cooler's in. Radiator's in. Waiting on the front dress. Underside view. It's got a 4L60. Had to do a sicky BMW pan. Massaged the frame, as you can see. Massaged up above. Fuel line. Fuel filter's gonna go there. Made a custom pigtail. Fuel line ends there. Power wire, train cooler lines, oil relocation. I gotta make new lines. It's gonna go about right here. This is the power for the car. Had to do a custom header over here. Still gonna be very close to the oil lines.